so that's, Gautam with his technical view. Spoke with him earlier today. Look at something like a Novama back to 7,000 rupees. I mean, it had a quick move to about, I think, almost 7,300. But actually 7,500, maybe even higher. Yeah, 7,500 was the high. And back down to about 7,000 rupees with this 5% cut that you're seeing. Petronet is another big mover. It's down about 5%. So stocks at about 330. GE Shipping is another one. We spoke with GE Shipping in the morning, and I mean, their take was that in the next six months, if some of these conflicts, especially Russia, Ukraine, is resolved, shipping rates will come off sharply, both for oil and tanker, crude and tanker rates. Signature Global, that's a Gurgaon-based developer, that's a sharp 9% cut coming through. So 1,266 recent high was almost 1,700. This kind, it doesn't show up. The index shows a 7-8% kind of a fall, but many of these stocks have come off very sharply. Aarti Industries, again, the recent high you want to look at, but it's not a sort of big performer or anything of that sort. But recent high was closer to 770. Stocks down under 500 rupees now. That high was in the middle of August this year. Look at something like a Suzlon, for example. Suzlon, the high was about 86 rupees and stocks closer to 60. Suzlon will come up on your screen as well. So, I mean, there's a fair bit out there, which of course is corrected between 20 and 35%. As we look at things right now. I think we're just going to wrap up things. Hemang, I'm going to thank you here. Appreciate your time on CNBC TV 18 as always. Thank you very much for joining us on the show. We'll end about 1/3% lower. That's about, 90 points in the red. So that's about 100 points away from the lows of the last 2 days, which is about 24,200. Nifty Bank had a bit more in terms of pressure. Percentage cut-wise, that was about 0.75%. So that's 400 points gone, 51,522. And of course, mid-cap and small caps. Actually, even if you take a look at the week, that is Friday to Friday, the Nifty and the small cap index have lost. I mean, the mid-cap and the Mag Nifty, Friday to Friday at least, are flat. The small cap index over the last 1 week is down about 2%. The Nifty is down about 0.7% or so. So, I mean, this is turning out to be a continuation of what we've seen over the last several weeks now on the downside. So big week, big events, 3 of them. You had the US elections first, you had the Fed meeting, and then of course you had China NPC, which was a bit of a dud because nothing really came off it and the market was disappointed. But all of that behind us and the market now, in a way, looking ahead into next week. It's a wrap on this edition. A closing bell from all of us here. It's goodbye. Thanks for staying with us. But Editors Roundtable is where we'll pick up on the action and look ahead. Stay with us.